Hi everyone, finals week begins tomorrow, so this is my final video of this semester. Your final project is due today. If you're having any problems meeting this deadline, you need to talk to me right away because final grades are due soon. Your final assignment for this class is to complete a course reflection. You can find that assignment in the finals week tab of the Google Classroom. It is due on Thursday the 29th. You're going to continue to grow as a reader and a writer for the rest of your life. More than anything, I hope you've developed a healthy reading and writing practices and know who you are as a literate person and what kinds of support you need to succeed. Good writing requires multiple drafts. It requires an authentic audience. Trusted readers can help you notice things you can't see in your own writing. If you don't have a trusted reader in your personal life, our Writing Center tutors or your professors can help you to play that role. That's what we're here for. I'm collecting a really big stack of essays and reflections, so it's likely going to take me more than a week to read and respond to all your work before I submit my final grades. Best wishes to all of you, and know that I'm always here to help you to answer questions about your writing education here at UAA.